In this video, we're going to review solving equations by looking at a couple of the types of problems you're going to see in this section. If we have a problem that is x squared equals 7 squared plus 4 squared, the first thing we have to remember is our order of operations. On the right-hand side, we've got exponents and addition, and we better make sure we do those exponents first and then do the addition afterwards. So we'll have x squared equals 7 squared would be 49 plus 4 squared would be 16. And then I'll add those together and I'll have that x squared is equal to 65. Now I've reached this point and I've got x squared, but I'm trying to figure out what x is. In order to find out what x is, I'm going to need to take the square root of the left to get the square root and the squaring to cancel, leaving me just the x. And if I take the square root of the left, I also need to take the square root of the right. And when I take the square root of 65, I'll get 8.0622. And if I was going to round that to the nearest hundredth, that would be 8.06. If I've got a problem like 41 squared equals x squared plus 9 squared, like we did before, we're going to go ahead and simplify the places where I have exponents. And 41 times 41 will be 1,681. The x squared will stay there because that's what I'm trying to find, and 9 squared will be 81. At this point, I need to get that variable by itself, so I need to get that 81 to go away. So I'm going to subtract 81 from the right-hand side, making those cancel. And if I subtract 81 from the right-hand side, I also need to subtract 81 from the left-hand side. At this point, I'll have 1,600 equals x squared. And just as we did before, if I've got x squared, and I want to have x, I need to take the square root to make square root and squaring cancel each other, leaving me with just the x. If I take the square root of the right-hand side, I also need to take the square root of the left-hand side, and the square root of 1,600 is 40. So in this case, x is equal to 40.